Are you looking for an Asirvia alternative? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about a company that I'm not really part of anything, but I'm familiar with, called Asirvia. Now, they are a company that was based around the whole proximity marketing thing. They had their own little devices and everything, but apparently they've been running through some issues. I don't know if they close to shutting down or they did shut down, but I do know a lot of their reps are looking for alternatives. They're looking for other places they can go because maybe they enjoy the whole proximity marketing business concept and idea. And I got an alternative right now, and it is Genusity. All right. I've been a part of Genusity for over a year, since pretty much the beginning. And what they're doing with proximity marketing is it's incredible. It's fun. It's easy to promote. The commission plan, the layout, everything is just on point when it comes to a home business opportunity. So I'm excited to make this video for those who maybe were thinking about getting into Asirvia, or you had to leave Asirvia, and you're like, yo, that sucks, but I still want to get into this business. I still want to work from home. I still want a product that's easy to market, easy to sell. So you can just check out Genusity. As you watching right now, you can see me using one of their devices, Genusity's beacons, and you can see it on my phone. Kind of see how everything works, but it's even better now. What Genusity is doing with the technology is even better than what you're seeing even on the video that you're watching. It's just they taking things to new heights, right? With their marketing devices, with their beacons. It's just a real opportunity, and it definitely, when it comes to the Asirvia thing, if you're having issues with them or whatever and you had to leave, check out Genusity. Join the team today. All right. Trying to think of anything else I can say. First of all, link is in the description of this video, so you can check it out right now. But guys, once you join, literally you'll be up and running for 30 bucks. That's it. 30 bucks, and then just $15 a month, and you good to go. All right, so don't want to hear me talk no more. It's all good. All you gotta do is click the link in the description. All they'll do is ask for your name and email, but after you put that in, you will be sent directly over to the company website, where you could check out all the products, comp plans, and everything, and you can get started today. All right, check it out. Be sure to comment and subscribe. Until the next time, peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.